Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 8. How exciting that we are halfway through the course, and we're getting ready to get started with some more fun things for this week, week 8. Let me take you through the intro here. We'll scroll down here to week 8. Our topic this week is intercultural competence and business. So intercultural competence is something I spend a lot of time working on, and is really one of my goals at Kirkwood in my current job is to instill intercultural competence in anyone who graduates from Kirkwood, but specifically also this class, which I teach. The definition of intercultural competence could be said to be the appropriate and effective management of interaction between people who represent different or divergent affective, cognitive, and behavioral orientations to the world. So that's a big chunk. That's a lot to take in, right? But in this class, Global Business Skills, that is where we're trying to get to, intercultural competence. So I'm excited about this week. It's going to tie in a lot of the things we've been learning in the previous weeks as well. So let's see. Here we are in the intro video. The learning objectives for this week include defining intercultural competence, which I just gave you one specific type of definition. You'll find some others in the readings and the videos that you'll be watching. Demonstrate skills needed to work globally. Explore some strategies about how to do business in another culture. Those are our learning objectives for the week. If we go back here, let's see what else we're up to this week. So there's some good readings and videos here that will talk about your intercultural competence and some interpersonal skills. Chapter 3 specifically will, in your Globe Smart book, which I have here, will be about establishing credibility and feedback, which is what your discussion will be related to this week. If we go and take a look at the next item, this is a big one for this week, and that's why I'm hoping you're watching this video ahead of time so that you can prepare yourself for the week, because this week project preparation worksheet 2 is due on Sunday, and that is the cultural profile and cultural interview. So in this worksheet, you're going to select your country. So out of the 3 that you selected for worksheet 1, you will select one. And you'll start working on a cultural profile, which will be critical to your final project video that you'll be doing at the end of the course in the week 15 and 16. So this is a big moment. You're going to pick a country or culture, and you're going to interview someone who's from that country or culture. And this is a critical time for you to gain input. So I want you to take a lot of time to do that interview. You can video the interview and drop it in. You can take notes from the interview, use the worksheet. The worksheet is what will be due, and I appreciate if you do take a video of your person, then you can go back and use that when you're developing your final project. So I think that's a good practice if you can do that. So a big thing is, remember, you have the whole week to find someone. If you need help, let me know. Send me an email so that I can also help you with the task if you have questions, okay? Remember also for the Final Country Project, there's this folder over here, the Final Country Project Overview and Dropboxes for Progress Sheets, has the rubric in there that shows you exactly what the expectations are as far as grading go for this worksheet 2 and for all the worksheets. I sent you the rubric as feedback for your worksheet 1, so you should have seen it, even if you hadn't seen it here, so that you can go in and review the expectations for worksheet 2 and how many points for each of the topics there. Okay, can't emphasize enough, reach out if you have questions or problems with that one. And then finally, there is another graded discussion about feedback. In chapter 3 of your textbook, Globe Smart, there's some great information about giving and receiving feedback, which is so important in the global environment. In any job or any occupation that you have, you're going to have to give and receive feedback from others. So this one is a good one. It's a good discussion, and I expect we'll have some really good dialogue there. And then there is also a quiz for this week. So great, lots to do this week. Hopefully you are understanding the assignments. If you're not, let me know. Enjoy the week, and we'll be talking to you soon.